Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frame embroidery using an easy method. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need an embroidery hoop, a piece of fabric, a needle, and your chosen embroidery floss. Make sure your fabric is slightly larger than your hoop. Then, select a simple design, perhaps a small floral pattern or a basic geometric shape, and transfer it onto your fabric. Finally, place your fabric into the hoop, pulling it taut like a drum. Now, let's explore some fundamental stitches that are perfect for beginners. The running stitch is excellent for creating outlines and delicate lines. It's a simple in and out motion. For more defined edges and text, the backstitch provides a solid, continuous line. When you need to fill in shapes, the satin stitch offers a smooth, polished appearance. Practice these 3 stitches on a scrap piece of fabric until you feel comfortable. Choosing your design and colors is a fun part of the process. Aim for a color palette of 3 to 5 complementary shades to create visual harmony. Think about how your chosen floss colors will interact with your fabric's texture and base color. Before you begin stitching, plan the order of your elements. This helps prevent tangles and ensures a clean, professional finish, especially when working with overlapping areas. Once your stitching is complete, it's time to finish your beautiful piece. Carefully trim the excess fabric around the back of your hoop, leaving approximately 1 inch of material. You can then secure this extra fabric to the inside edge of the hoop using a strong fabric glue or by hand stitching it down. For a truly polished look, cut a circle of felt and glue it to the back, covering all raw edges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.